Hello friends, this is your Jagam sir from Daily One Concept with One PVQ session, and here we are going to discuss today non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. And the first point is what is non-uniform? Suppose here an object is starts its journey from here and moving up to here, and if its velocity u is equals to, let us assume 10 meter per second, both at this location and this location, we can say that the object is in uniform motion. Now if the object's velocity is changing, that means if object's velocity is increasing, suppose u is equals to 10 meter per second and v is equals to 20 meter per second, right? That means its velocity is changing from one location to other location with respect to time. With respect to time, that is, let us assume time is equals to 2 seconds. Then we can say that the object has been accelerated. Now acceleration is equals to change in velocity by change in time. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Now see here, we got this is 5 meter per second square. 5 meter per second square. This is what is object is getting acceleration. First point. Now the second point, let us assume here an object is present with 40 meter per second, and here it is having 20 meter per second, and time taken to travel from this location to this location to change its velocity from 40 meter per second to 20 meter per second, let us assume 10 meter per second. Again, acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity and time, changing time, and final velocity is 20, initial velocity is 40 by 10, which gives minus 20 by 10, which is equals to minus 2 meter per second square. That means the object is getting decelerated. That means as the object is moving, its velocity from maximum to, sorry, from, as it is moving from one location to other location, its velocity is getting decreasing with respect to time. So that is what is called deceleration. Now we are going to see one pvq from the main 2019 10th April question, JEE mains question, and here they gave a bullet mass is 20 grams. And remember one point, whenever you are going to see like these questions in terms of CGS units, you must remember whether the answers, the options given are in terms of SI units or CGS units. And here these are in CGS SI units. So we have to convert each value which are given in the question into SI units. So minus 3 kg at a speed v is equals to 1 meter per second, just before it starts penetrating a mud wall of thickness 20 centimeter. That means, see here, it is, let us say, mud wall of 20 centimeters. That is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters wall thickness. Clear, beta? Now when it is entering, bullet is entering, its velocity is 1 meter per second. Now after piercing through this one, what will be the velocity value when it comes outside? The speed of the bullet after emerging from other side of the wall is close to, then we are going to find what is the velocity after the bullet transfers or pierces through the mud wall. Then by using here, by using non-uniformly accelerated motion equations, we know v is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equals to 2as, s is equals to u plus v by 2 into t, sn is equals to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Out of these 5 equations, we have initial velocity vi, final velocity which we are going to find, and separation. So out of the given equations, which one suits best? That is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. And they mentioned here If the wall offers a main resistance of 2.5 into 10 to the power of 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 newtons. And you have to understand one most important point here, that is resistance. This resistance is offering means the bullet will get decelerates. So the decelerates is equals to F by M. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. That's why I am considering acceleration is equals to force by mass, which is equals to 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3, which is the mass of the ball, sorry, bullet. That is 2.5 into 10 by 20. Then A is equals to 25 by 20. This is acceleration, but it is not acceleration beta, because the mud is resisting. So object's velocity is decreasing. So I am representing this with a negative sign. Negative sign, that is minus 5 by 4. Clear? Now we are using d square minus u square is equals to 2as, and v value which we are going to find after piercing through the mud, and u value they are given as 1 square. 2 into acceleration, that is deceleration in this case is minus 5 by 4, and displacement they mentioned as 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Clear? Then v square is equals to 1 minus 5, that is 20 into, no beta, this is 25, 50 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and this is 1 minus 0.5. Then v square or v is equals to root 0.5. This gives us v is equals to approximately 0.7 meter per second. And here we derived or we discussed a concept, and based on that concept how the question has been framed, that we are seeing, we are observing very clearly. I hope you got the point what I am going to discuss with you. And if you have any queries, you can message me in your YouTube message box. And still, if you have any doubts also, you can raise them. And if you want any extra knowledge from my side, you can message me. I will definitely try to give you the best knowledge for your entrance examination of JE or NEET. Have a great day. Take care. Bye beta.